Joe's just cleaning this mould up that he's made. It's a Victorian gutter mould. Joe's been down here maybe 70 years. Or is it, Joe?
No, 80.
80 years, my goodness. Not working, no?
Yeah.
My goodness. You started when you were 7.
We had to go to school.
Yeah.
And come home and Dad would say, look, you're not to go out with the boys, but put an hour with me and then you can go out and play.
Right.
Right, I did.
Oh my goodness.
My sister did the same.
Right. Joe's just cleaning this mould up. It's a Victorian gutter mould. Joe's father started the factory in 1931. There's a rosette mould, a lot of other moulds over there. This is a little piece mould, this Cornice. It comes apart there because it's very, very tight angle. There's a Cornice mould here for making Cornice. There's a ventilator. Another mould. Lots of moulds here. And some rosettes. There's Joe's Cornice rack. And he's got a very good range. He's in Elphington in Parkview Street or Road, never paper mills in Elphington. Lots of little knickknacks, rosettes. That's pretty well done. Off from that. Taken her off. That's the original mould here, a plaster with shellac and wax on it. Just cleaning it up. It was originally a piece mould. That piece could have come out if necessary because it's quite a tight curve. The way it was designed. Oh yeah, it has given away, yeah.
Just enough to
get
it out.
Yeah, but I'll just show that over there. Yeah, that was the piece mould section if necessary. It gave way a little bit, but it wasn't necessary. Okay, there's the Cornice all done and tied up, ready to dry now. It's quite a nice Cornice. That's some very nice Cornices here, Joe.